Hello viewers, this is Umarenu Mohapatra. Welcome you back to my channel with a new video, voice change with imperative sentences. Sorry to be late for posting videos due to lockdown. Before lockdown, already I have shifted to another place and I left my whiteboard there. So the only way I got to make videos is by using the computer. Voice change, imperative sentences. In my previous videos, already I have posted videos as per tense, voice change as per tense, voice change for present tense, for past tense, for future time and also for modals. Today I will be explaining voice change with the imperative sentences. We know that imperative sentences express order or command, request, suggestion, advice, warning, etc. At first I am going to explain sentences, voice change sentences with a order or command. Let us see, shut the door. Here shut is the verb and the door is the noun phrase. When you change the sentence into passive, we should use let before the noun phrase, then be plus past participle form of the verb. Verb given short and its past participle form is short because three forms of the verb is same, short, short, short. So, let the door, we should use let when the sentence express order or command. Let the door be shut. What be shut? What I told, in every passive structure there must be one be verb added. Inform the police. Here inform is the verb and the police is the noun phrase. When you change the sentence into passive, let the police be informed. Be verb is added and informed, past participle form of a verb. Turn him out. Turn him out. That means him is pronoun. We use let before him. Let him be turned out. When, if we follow the trick, if you remember the trick, it will be very easy for us to change into passive. It is the sentence expresses order or command, but when the sentences express command of order, there the structure is different. Get out of this office. When you change the sentence into passive, we add you are ordered to, and what is written in the active voice, the same thing will be copied. Get out of this office. You are ordered to get out of this office. Bring some glasses of water for them. The same thing will be copied, but in front what will be written? You are ordered to. Bring some glasses of water. Then sentences express request. So, please open the door. We know that when you request somebody or someone, we use please. Please open the door. Do it for me, please. Please don't disturb me. When you change the sentence into passive, the same thing will be copied, removing please. And in the front, we should add you are requested to. So, you are requested to open the door. The same thing, open the door. Removing please. Removing please will not be written. Do it for me, please. You are requested to do it for me, and please will not be copied. Please don't disturb me. It is one negative sentence. When you change the sentence into passive, you are requested not to, because one negative request sentence. So, you are requested not to disturb me. And sentences with a suggestion, there the passive structure is different. We use what? Should be. Help the disabled. Here help is the verb and help the disabled. Help is the verb and the disabled is the noun phrase. When you change the sentence into passive, the disabled will be subject and should be added in the structure, passive structure, and the given verb will be past participle. So, the disabled should be helped. Listen to me. Me is here and its subjective form I. So, I should be listened to. Only should be added and listen will be listen, past participle form. What I told, in every passive structure there must be be verb added. Be verb here, as be it is added. Always speak the truth. The truth is the noun phrase and speak is the verb. So, the truth should always be spoken. Should always be spoken. Okay. Then sentence with advice. When you change the sentence into passive structure, passive voice, we should add in the front you are advised to. So, work hard. You are advised to work hard. What is written, the same thing will be copied. Get up early. You are advised to get up early. Don't smoke. You are advised not to smoke. As it is negative, we add not to. So, only you are advised to add it. What is written, the same thing will be copied. In the three sentence, you are advised to get up early. You are advised not to smoke. Then sentences with beginning with a let. The structure is let Mr. Das handle the account. Here let begins, the sentence begins with a let. Let the Prime Minister take the final decision. The sentence starts with a let. Let him lock the doors. The sentence starts with a let. When the active sentence starts with let, the same let will be copied to the passive in the front. So, let will be written, and you see the Mr. Das handle the account. Handle what? The account. So, it is object. So, the object will be subject in the passive structure. So, let the account be handled. As handle is the verb here, it will be what? Be handled by Mr. Das. Let the Prime Minister take the final decision. The same thing, the final decision is the object and take is the verb. So, let the final decision be taken by the Prime Minister. Let him lock the door. Lock is the verb and the doors object. So, let the doors be locked by him. And the structure is let plus the subject plus be verb, then V3 by agent. What subject is given in the active structure? We should write by, then the agent.